Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Cadillac certified 2018 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7953X. Only 3,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crystal white in color. To be Cadillac certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The XT5 is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, backup camera, front and rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience, lots of storage space in the rear with removable privacy cover. You can also fold the rear seats with a pull of a handle on either side. And of course, no dents or dings. This premium luxury has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power liftgate control, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is also heated, great for those cold winter days. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Very large touchscreen Q infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. 3-zone climate control, driver, passenger, and separate rear heat and air. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heated as well as cooled front seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 8-speed automatic transmission. Lots of storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices along with wireless cell phone charging. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, homely transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this XT5 has a 3.6 liter V6, 210 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and again, only 3,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Cadillac certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.